Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change video call quality in Line app with 2024. First thing you do is open up your Line app with what I've done over here. Then tap on the guy icon at the top right corner. Then you scroll down to calls, tap on calls, and then you can see compact voice call mode. You can enable it. You now also be able to display voice calls on a small window to use other apps or features. Then scroll the way down to advanced call settings because we're trying to change the video call quality. So when you get here, you can see audio. This is a voice call. Now at the bottom here we have video call. So we have the quality for one-on-one video call. You can select high definition for better video call quality, doing one-on-one voice video calls, or you can switch to standard if you have any issues with high definition. So these are the two settings. You can either choose high definition or standard. So you can also go to the next place and toggle this off if you want to be able to use HD calls, whether it is Wi-Fi or not. So that is regardless of your connection type, you want to be able to do HD high definition video calls. If you don't want that, you toggle it on that it should only allow you to make HD calls, high definition calls, when you're using Wi-Fi only. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.